Okay folks, here's another Harry hack. The Simpson washing machine keeps on going out on E17. Well, this model is a SWT 554, 5.5 kilo, and it kept on going out on an E17, which is out of balance, but just could not set it even with no washing in it. So anyway, after a bit of investigation, I had a look, and down in here in the washing machine there's an arm just there that hits, you can hear it, and that triggers it out of balance and stops it. Well, on my machine, you can see here, this shit here, it was caught all around the arm there, probably from my wife washing doonas and shit or whatever, and it gets all around the arm and fucking didn't make it work properly. So anyway, I've cleared it out now and it appears to work. Hope that helps someone with an E17 on an E Simpson. Bye now.